The tablet world is currently divided into two eras: the time before Apple Intelligence and the time after. For years, the base model iPad was the safe choice. It was the device you bought for your kids' schoolwork, the one you gave to your grandparents for FaceTime, or the one you used to binge stream in bed. It was reliable, but it was never exciting. It was always 2 steps behind the Pro and 1 step behind the Air. But something fundamental just changed in Cupertino. As we move into 2026, the leaks from the supply chain aren't just suggesting a minor spec bump. They are pointing toward a total technological hijack. Today, we are tearing down the iPad 12th generation, the device that is rumored to be skipping the budget line entirely to become an AI-powered monster. We are talking about the A18 chip, the 8GB RAM revolution, and the reason why this $350 tablet might just be the most dangerous threat to Apple's own iPad Pro. If you think the entry-level iPad is still just a budget toy, you need to listen to every word of this, because the iPad 12 is about to rewrite the rules of the entire tablet industry. Why does the 12th generation matter so much? It's simple: the AI gap. When Apple launched Apple Intelligence, they accidentally created a massive divide in their lineup. Suddenly, if you didn't have a high-end M-series chip or the latest iPhone Pro silicon, you were left in the dark ages. The current 11th gen iPad with its A16 chip is a fantastic machine, but it's a dumb machine in an increasingly smart world. Apple knows they can't leave their most popular, highest volume tablet behind. The iPad 12 is the bridge. It is a device designed to bring the power of generative AI to the masses. The rumors aren't just whispers anymore. They are coming from the most reliable analysts in the business. We are looking at a device that skips the A17 and lands squarely on the A18. The same brain that powers the flagship iPhones. This isn't just about speed, it's about survival in the new ecosystem. Let's talk about the 8GB RAM wall. For a decade, Apple has been stingy with memory. They've told us we didn't need it because their software was so efficient. But Apple Intelligence changed that. To run large language models on a device, to have Siri actually understand your context without sending data to a server, you need RAM. The iPad 12 is rumored to be the first base model iPad to feature 8GB of RAM. This is a massive jump. It's the secret requirement that turns a tablet into an AI tool. Imagine an entry-level iPad that can summarize hour-long lectures, generate high-end images in seconds, and manage complex multitasking without closing your background apps. That is the promise of the 12th generation. It's the democratization of power. Design-wise, Apple is playing a very specific game. The leaks suggest that the physical chassis of the iPad 12 will look almost identical to the 10th and 11th generation. We're talking about the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, the flat-edged aluminum body, and the USB-C port. Some people might find this disappointing, but there's a strategy here. By keeping the outside the same, Apple can put all the value inside. They are spending their budget on the processor and the memory, not on a new mold. However, there are whispers of subtle refinement. We might see a new anti-reflective coating that was previously reserved for the Air models. We are also hearing about new color